In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create and use avatars in WhatsApp. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time, because in this channel we don't waste viewers time, we just dive right into the content. Open WhatsApp. Then what you want to do next here is click on the three dots for settings, then click settings. Then you will see an option for avatar. Be very sure to follow every step here, because you can make a silly mistake that will ruin the whole process. Okay, sorry for that word. Okay, click avatar. Then click on the button create your avatar, allow it to load, then click on get started. Then here you can create manually or create from selfie. Okay, let's say create manually. Then you can choose your skin tone, then click next. Then hairstyle, maybe I prefer this hairstyle, and click next. Then facial shape here. Okay, what suits you? You know very well how your face looks like, so be very sure to check on that while doing this. Then the body type, maybe you are a male or female, choose depending on what you prefer. Okay, then click continue. Then choose the outfit, maybe you love these ones here, then just click done. Okay, you can publish the avatar or edit it further. Here I can just publish my avatar, allow it to save, give it some time, just a minute. Okay, now you can view the avatar. You can add the avatar to profile or view it. Okay, so now this is my avatar, very perfect. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you.